Hello and welcome to Office 24 by 7. In today's video, we're going to see how the system automatically sends a reminder email to a customer and at the same time converts a lead into a deal if the BANT criteria are filled in. BANT stands for budget, authority, need, and timeline. Four key factors used to qualify a lead. When all four are present, it means the lead is well qualified and ready to move forward in the sales process. Let's walk through the workflow I've already created for this automation. The automation starts when a lead record is created in the CRM. So in the From Object node, I've selected the object type as Dynamic Object and chosen Leads as the object. The record action is set to Create, meaning the flow triggers whenever a new lead is added. The first step is to check whether the lead source is from an event. For this, I've used an IfExist condition node. I've selected the field lead source from the leads object and set the value to event. This node has two paths, yes and no. If yes, meaning the lead came from an event, the system automatically sends a reminder email. To do this, I've added a people node to capture lead details, specifically the email ID. In this node, I've selected people type as customer, object as leads, and the field as email ID. Then, I've used a message file node to send the email. The message type is set to email, the From Email ID is selected, and a predefined template is used for the welcome email. Once the email is sent, the flow ends for the yes path. If no, meaning the lead source is not from an event, the flow moves to the next condition. Here, I've added another IfExist node to check if the BANT fields, budget amount estimation, authority identified, need summary, and timeline target close, are not empty. I've configured four conditions, connecting them with the AND option and using the plus add button after each one. Each condition is set to is not empty, which ensures that all four fields contain valid data. If all BANT fields have values, the automation proceeds to map fields between the leads and deals objects. This is done using the field mapping node. Here I've mapped lead name to deal name, lead status to close status, budget amount estimation to deal value amount, created by and leads to created by and deals, and assigned user and leads to deal assignee and deals. After mapping, I've added a record node to create a new record in the deals object. The action is set to create and the mapped fields are automatically carried over to form a new deal record. This marks the end of the flow. To summarize, whenever a new lead is created, the automation first checks if the source is an event and sends a reminder email accordingly. If not, it verifies whether all BANT fields are filled. And if they are, it automatically converts that lead into a deal. This automation not only ensures timely communication with your leads, but also reduces manual effort, allowing your team to focus on qualified prospects and move them seamlessly through the sales funnel.